Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's Makeup Monday video. So, Makeup Monday is where we take a single eyeshadow palette, and you guys voted for the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette, and we take every shade in the palette and use it as our main lid shade until we've completed the entire palette. So today's main shade was Empress, and I came up with this very beautiful, unique, kind of like vampy, dramatic Valentine's Day look. It's not your average Valentine's Day look, but it is so unique and vampy because you can pair this look with glasses perfectly and still see the bright, beautiful, vibrant makeup. So basically this is the Valentine's Day look for those of you who wear glasses. So if you want to see this tutorial, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so today's Makeup Monday is going to be very easy. Our shade of the day is Empress, which is this orange shade. So I'm going to try to create a wearable Valentine's Day look with orange and ladyship. So first I'm going to take a little bit of Princess and Duchess and mix them together and take them directly into my crease. And once I have that done, I'm actually going to use the same eyeshadow brush. This is the Makeup Shack T87, and we're going to go into Ladyship, but we're going to take Ladyship directly into the crease. It's like a pinky purple, so it is perfect for Valentine's Day. And then I want to go back into Duchess and Princess and blend Ladyship out. Now for the easy part, we're going to go right into Empress, and we're going to go ahead and take that right on our lid. Look at how beautiful and pigmented this orange is. Whoa. We need to go back into Ladyship and just kind of like blend those together. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to spritz a very flat eyeshadow brush with just a little bit of setting spray. And I am going to take the tiniest bit of Crown here. And I'm just going to pop that on the inner part here of that orange. And we're just going to go back in with that brush that we put the orange shadow on and just blend, pat that together. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're going to clean this up. But first we're going to pop on this Super Cat Liquid Black Extreme Liner Pen. This is from Soap and Glory. And we're going to draw on a wing. Okay, you guys, this Soap and Glory eyeliner pen is the bomb. This is the Super Cat. You gotta pick this up. It was super easy to put my wing on. Super matte black. Extreme black. It's what it says. Yes, this is the bomb. And of course, I found this at Walgreens. So Now we are going to put on some lashes. These are the New Kiss Lash Triple Push-Up Collection. And these are in Bustier. And I got these at Walgreens, of course. Alright, you guys, so since I didn't really have like a pink liner that I like to use, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ladyship. And I used my 24/7 Glide On Urban Decay Whiskey Liner. It's just a brown liner, and I'm just going to like pop this Ladyship pretty much right on top of that. Like smoking it out. Okay, and for lip today, I'm going to use this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Frenzy. Alright, you guys, and there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on all social media, which is linked down below. Also, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face. It is truly the best makeup you can wear. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!